Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. So this video, there's a lot of good points for what we're going to do. The bad thing is I can't film the installation of this box. The reason is there's no room for me to even get in the closet to install it. I mean, just to drill the hole, there's no room at all. I have to keep 3/4 of my body outside the closet door. Mainly because of all the stuff I got sitting in there, but I can't even get it out unless I empty it, and I don't want to take the time to do any of it. But anyways, I made up this. Now, you see, I had to drill the holes in a different place. The wire for the turbine is going to come up through that hole. Why am I doing it this way? Because it was the cheapest way. Why am I using conduit? There's mice in the subfloor. And for what that wire cost, you think I'm going to let a mouse gnaw on it? No. 16 inches of conduit. It's more than enough. When I push it down in there and screw it in place, which I got some interior type screws, screw it in place, it's going to be tight enough, hopefully in a hole that the mouse won't even think. Even if he does, he's going to hit a plastic box. Because these boxes have little feet on them. I'm leaving the foot. Got to leave a little air gap. So what am I going to be using to put that down? That hole saw kit I have is garbage. It just won't do what I want. I found this. I've had this a very, very long... This thing I bought in the 1990s when I built my very first skip. Center console, live well, best of everything. I only wanted 14 foot, just cheaper to license the thing. So we're going to hook this on my drill. We're going to drill the hole. And I tell you, this thing's heavy. You tighten up these Allens, this thing don't move. I used this when I installed the gauges in my center console. Go through fiberglass, it'll go through this flake board. So I'm just letting you know what I'm going to do. When I get it done, I'll show you in the closet, hopefully, what it looks like, and then we'll move from there. Need a little room in here. I got a hole. That pushes up against the that membrane underneath the house. So the only thing left to do is to drive in the screws, hold that down. So now that goes all the way through and it's pushing the membrane down. It's going to be easy to locate it. So when I come time for the solar, I want to try to put it beside it. Now, how do I know? Well, I used the stud finder in here, and it told me in between here and here, there's nothing. So the solar will go over here because I don't want the stuff out in the middle of my floor. I mean, this is a double closet here in a mobile home. So let me get the cover on. I'll show you what it looks like. And there we have it. One wire connection that's going to safely get it from the wind turbine to the charging. Well, you can't see it's on the other side of the door. I'm going to plan on keeping a lot of the cables in this part of the closet, so that way, actually, we don't need this tape in here no more because we already know. Because at this side of the closet, the only thing I've ever put is garbage in there. I don't have fancy stuff like fancy boots and stuff. The only thing I got is the stuff that I wear. That's kind of what happens when you grow up with only hand-me-downs. You never get nothing new. But anyways, that's it. I'll see you next time.